Did you know that bold colors like red, yellow, and lime green can actually deter potential buyers? Studies show these colors evoke negative emotions, making first impressions crucial when selling your home. Let's dive right into it. Neutral colors like white, cream, and beige are preferred by buyers. These shades create a welcoming and appealing look. Natural wood stains are also recommended for boosting your home's value. Imagine a home with a white exterior and a black front door. This combination not only looks elegant, but can also increase your property's value significantly. A simple change like painting your front door black can add thousands to your home's value. Contrast and simplicity enhance curb appeal, proving that small tweaks can lead to substantial financial benefits. Consider the power of simplicity. By choosing the right colors, you can transform your home's exterior and make a lasting impression on potential buyers. Choose quality paint for the best results. Understand the difference between acrylic and oil-based paints. Opt for paints without VOCs to ensure a healthier environment for you and your family. To recap, by selecting neutral colors and making small changes, you can significantly boost your home's value. Remember, first impressions matter, and the right paint can make all the difference. Ready to transform your home's exterior? Start by choosing the right colors and quality paint. Take action today and watch your home's value soar. Well, that's it in a nutshell. If you need help, let us know. Thanks for watching, and feel free to hit like and subscribe if you like this content. And be sure to make it a wonderful day.